Hey, young historians, Mr. Brand here to give you an overview for Monday, November 10th, and we are diving into the election of 1824, the first time Andrew Jackson runs for presidency. And there's some shenanigans that happens, and actually Jackson loses the first time, but he comes back, roaring back in 1828. But also we're going to be diving into the Electoral College. Remember, this is how we actually elect presidents, and the nitty-gritty of the Electoral College, and some of the information that is going to be shared pertains to current events. I mean, stuff that maybe if you're paying attention in the news, you're going to hear the same terminology. And so some good stuff. And we have a special guest. Mr. Bauman is Mrs. Huff's student teacher, and he took the time to create some awesome videos. So you're going to view those videos. There's 3 of them. They're short videos. Feel free to take notes along with that. At the end, there's going to be a Kahoots that you're going to complete and sign up for that. It's a different kind of Kahoots, because normally when we play Kahoots, we've done in class with partners and you're playing against each other, but this is more of an individual Kahoots, and you it's more of a review. And of course, we've thrown in some extra bonus videos, and there's a study guide about the age of Jackson. A lot of information there, and then we're going to, on Friday, go into detail about the election of 1828, and then next week we will have our quiz over the Jackson unit. So a lot of stuff we're still going to be covering, and take your time with it. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop in during my office hours. And so there you go, Wildcats. Have a great day. Bye.